Biology Education Study Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Universitas Sebelas Maret is a highly reputable biology education institution that still holds the local wisdom of Indonesia's national culture. Through blog experience, since the establishment on January 23, 1966, today, the Biology Education Study Program at the Universitas Sebelas Maret has achieved an A or Excellent Accreditation status from the National Accreditation Board for Higher Education. Located in Surakarta, a city that combines the beauty of Javanese culture and technological advances, Surakarta is currently the most livable city in Indonesia, according to the Indonesian Planning Experts Association in 2021. The strategic location makes the biology education Universitas Sebelas Maret offer a comfortable environment for study and research activities. To become one of the best internationally reputable study programs, the Biology Education Study Program Universitas Sebelas Maret is committed to providing access to high-quality learning. Being part of one of the global educational institutions, the Biology Education Universitas Sebelas Maret actively collaborate with leading scientists from all over the world in various activities, such as visiting professors, seminars, guest lectures, and research collaborations. Students of the Biology Education Universitas Sebelas Maret are actively involved in various national and international activities while maintaining the national cultural background. In addition to learning, the Biology Education Universitas Sebelas Maret also provides access to research activities that significantly impact society. Many publication results from academic research with national and international reputation. Biology Education Universitas Sebelas Maret also provides opportunities for the academic community to contribute to the welfare and solve problems in the surrounding environment through various community service activities. The Biology Education Universitas Sebelas Maret is supported by various facilities and infrastructure that support diverse learning and research activities on campus. Competent educators and professional support staff are the biggest support of the Biology Education Universitas Sebelas Maret to realize a quality study program with an international reputation. Combining the various advantages of the Biology Education Universitas Sebelas Maret, we have made considerable broad achievements at the national and international levels. Our commitment is to create a learning community that supports the talents of the younger generation to become professional educators, researchers, and entrepreneurs who hold the noble national culture of Indonesia.